Hello, amazing one. Let's solve this equation together. It's just so easy. Let's do it. So we're going to begin with our solution. So this is what we have. 4 to the power of a is equal to 400. Now, what do? Can we express this in powers of 4? No. So what we just do at this point is to take the log of both sides. So you also take log of 400. Now, at this point, what do? Remember, for every log of a to the power of x, the power multiplies. It gives you x log a. So if you apply it here, we are having a log 4, the power multiplies, is equal to log of 400. So what do? These two are multiplying. To get a, you divide. So you divide both sides by log of 4. Now this will take off this. So we're going to have, and if you are a returning viewer, thank you for choosing to learn through us. If you are still new to this channel, hit that subscription button. We have a lot to give to you. And if you find this interesting, don't forget to give us a like and share with your friends. Now let's keep doing this. From here, we are having a is equal to log of 400 divided by log of 4. Do you intend to leave it at this point? No, it's not yet simplified. So we are going to now simplify this together. So to do that, this is the same as a is equal to log of, you know that 400 is 4 multiplied by 100. So we can write this as 4 multiplied by 100 and is divided by log of 4. So what do next? Just remember quickly, for every log of a multiplied by b, is always log of a. Multiplication turns to addition. So you are going to apply it on the numerator. If you do that, a gives us log of 4 plus log of 100, and this is divided by log of 4. Now, at this point, you are free to use this to divide each numerator. So you are going to have a is equal to log of 4 divided by log of 4 plus log of 100 divided by log of 4. Did you observe anything? Yes. You see that these two are the same, so they can divide itself to give us 1. Let's keep solving. To have a is equal to 1 plus log of 100 divided by log of 4. Now remember too well that 100 is the same as 10 multiplied by 10, which is 10 to the power of 2. And that 4 is the same as 2 multiplied by 2, which is 2 squared. So we're going to apply it here. It gives us a is equal to 1 plus. So we're going to have, for this we have log of 10 squared. Did you see that? Then is divided. So let's write this well. Divided by log of our 4 is 2 squared. Keep simplifying this. It gives us a is equal to 1 plus. Remember we said the power multiplies the log. So it gives us 2 log 10 is divided by, for this you are going to have 2 log 2. So what do? You see that these two coefficients are the same. You can easily take them off to have a is equal to 1 plus, we have log of 10 divided by log of 2. We also know that we have to simplify this. Okay, so keep simplifying it. We know that 10 is the same as 5 multiplied by 2. So in that case, this gives us a is equal to 1 plus, we have log of 5 multiplied by 2 and is divided by log of 2. So what do? Remember what we said earlier. To simplify this, log of AB, as we said, is log of A plus log of B. So applying it here, it gives us A is equal to 1 plus log of 5 plus log of 2. Did you see that? And this is divided by log of 2. So this gives us A is 1 plus, you are free to divide each by this log 2. So we have log 5 divided by log 2 plus log 2 divided by log 2. Beautiful. So what do? These two are the same. They can divide itself to give us 1. So keep solving. This gives us a is 1 plus a is equal to 1 plus log of 5 divided by log of 2 plus 1. We can add these two together. So to do that, we are going to have a is equal to 1 add 1 gives us 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. Now at this point, you just need to remember quickly, for every log of a divided by log of b, it's always log of a base b. So you are going to apply this rule here for you to simplify. Finally, to have a is equal to 2 plus log of 5 base 2. So this gives us the simplified value of a. Now at this point, you're going to plug this value of a at the left side of the equation to see if it gives us back 400. And that is the most interesting part I wouldn't want you to miss. So let's do this verification together to verify. We are going to have 4. This is our a. So we have 2 plus log of 5 base 2. Then is this going to give us 400? Let's see to that. So what do you do at this point? Just remember, whenever you have a to the power of m plus n is a to the power of m. This addition sign, turn it to multiplication. Did you see? So you observe that this is of this form. So we're going to turn this to be in this form for easy solving. So we're going to have 4 to the power of 2, addition sign, turn to multiplication. Then you return 4 to the power of log of 5 base 2. Will this give us 400? Let's still see to that. So what do? We keep solving. So we're going to now have 4 to the power of 2 multiplied. Now for this, we can rewrite this 4 to be 2 to the power of 2. Then we raise it to the power of log of 5 base 2. Is this still going to give us 400? So what do you think we should do next? Just remember, for every a to the power of m raised to power n, it is a to the power of m multiplied by n. The powers will multiply. So we apply it here to have. So this gives us 4 squared multiplied. This gives us, applying this here, we have 2 to the power of 2 log 5 base 2. Will this be equal to 400? So what do? We keep simplifying this. So we now have 2. Remember, the coefficient of the log, like we said, is the power of that log. So this is the same as log 5 power 2 base 2. Will this be equal to 400? So what do at this point? Just remember, for every a to the power of log of b base a, the two bases are the same. It gives you this number b. So if you apply this rule here on this, we are going to have, and for you to have watched through this point, it shows what it will interest you. Don't forget to give this tutorial a like, and let's know what you feel about this in the comment. So let's keep simplifying to now have 4 to the power of 2 multiplies. These two are the same, obeying what you have here. So we're going to have 5 squared. And let's still see if this gives us 400. So we're going to have 4 squared is 4 multiplied 2 times. Then we have 5 multiplied 2 times. Now, if you multiply the left side, this will give us 16 times 25 gives us 400. And 400 is equal to 400. So it means what we did is correct. So to conclude, we have x is equal to 2 plus log of 5 base 2. So this value of x we got is absolutely correct. And I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to tell us how much. Help us to share so that the algorithm sent to more people that need this skill. Give this tutorial a thumbs up. I'll also be curious to see your own method in the comments. Thank you for choosing to learn through us. I will see you in my next class. Bye.